Okay, we have a 2010 Nissan Xterra. Got the V6 engine, and it has the P0340 code. The owner just wants me to go ahead and put a cam sensor in it. So that's what I'm going to do. She brought the cam sensor to me. And the 340 is for bank 1, which is the passenger bank on these Nissans. So bank 1 is passenger, bank 2 is drivers. So you can see the front of the car here. Most vehicles, bank 1 is going to be your driver's side, but the way you figure that out is whichever cylinder number 1 is on, whichever side, that's bank 1. On this vehicle, cylinder 1 is right here, which makes this bank 1. So you need to know that. Now I'm going to try to actually get this filmed as much as I can. The sensor is located on the back of the head, so you got to do a little bit of this by feel. And I'm going to put my camera down there to see if I'm even going to be able to get a view of it. Of course, there's a harness that's got to be it. And I can't even see. Let me get my light. I believe it's this one right here. With Nissan's great wisdom, they made a connector that you actually push the retaining clip the same direction that you're trying to pull the connector off. And that is just the opposite of what needs to be done. Okay, I'm just going to go after the the 10mm bolt. We're going to get that out first. And of course I had it on the wrong, or maybe it switched on me when I was trying to get back in there. I mean, it's a little tight when you got a camera in your way. It can be a little frustrating, but we'll get it. Yeah, Nissan, if you're listening, you need to redo your connector thinking. That's ridiculous. I've heard a lot of people complain about those connectors. That was not a smart move. Don't drop the bolt. Then you just pull the sensor out of the back of the head. Now, I don't know if you can see that connector right there, but you push it down. I'm going to have both hands for this. I'll try to, you know what? And I hope you was able to see that. I don't know if you was or not. But... So here's the connector. See how that's pushed down right now? How it's staying down? That's what unlocks it. The problem is you can't really get on it good enough to, whenever it's back there, to Okay, I've got the new one. I've lubed up the O-ring. Find the hole that it goes in. And before I put it all the way in, I'm going to try to start the bolt just a couple threads. That way it'll already be lined up. Okay, forget that idea. Let me try to get you back over here where you can see what's going on. Trying to find the hole just by turning the sensor. Make sure you wiggle it and jiggle it and make sure that it's seating in there good. All right. Can't really see a whole lot of what I'm doing, but a lot of it's by feel. And there we go. We're on maybe about 15 minutes. So now let's get the scanner hooked up. Oh, and a tip. You may notice that I've got this wooden dowel holding the hood open about as far as the hood will go. If I use the prop rod, I don't know if you can see where that prop rod's at compared to that wooden dowel. It helps a lot when you're working in the back of an engine compartment like I just did, to have the hood open as far as you possibly can. So if you've got a prop rod or something else that will allow the hood to go open just a little bit farther, you'll thank yourself for doing that. So the only thing left to do now is I'm going to clear the codes, start it up, make sure it runs all right, and call it a done deal. But that's all I had for you. That was the for a P0340 passenger side bank 1 cam sensor, Nissan Xterra. You guys be good. Take care. And just a real quick tip, guys. I'm telling you, this little swivel head ratchet, pivot head, that thing has saved me so much frustration. So if you haven't gotten yourself one of these yet, I don't know if you can see how small that is. It's by Titan. This is my favorite little ratchet, 1/4 inch ratchet. It allows you to get into tight places just like I did. And yeah, you definitely need to get you one of these. These are awesome. You guys take care. I'll put the link to this in the description. Highly recommend this little ratchet.